The SCOSCHE StrikeLine data and charging cable is perfect for easy charging and syncing of any Apple Lightning device. The compact Lightning cable is equipped with a convenient slim-tip Lightning connector which fits flawlessly with most device cases, without having to remove the case. Connect the charging cable to your device's Lightning port from any USB port or USB charger for fast data transfer and charging speeds. The braided cable design ensures the cable stays tangle-free during use. Highlights: fast transfer rates and high-efficiency charging. Slim barrel tip fits most device cases. Premium aluminum housing for extra durability. Braided cable design helps avoid tangles. USB Lightning power connector. Fast transfer rates, high-efficiency charging and syncing with any Apple Lightning device. 1-foot braided cable. With 1 foot of cable, you have the freedom to simultaneously use your device while charging. Compatible with multiple devices. Works with all models of the iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPad Air, iPad mini, and any other Apple Lightning device. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality product that works as advertised. I am very pleased with it so far.